So Bharat Kumar Indrasen Trading Private Limited is one of the largest distributors of hot rolled products in the western region of India. We have our offices and godowns in Mumbai in Maharashtra and Ahmedabad in Gujarat, through which we operate to a large base of customers who are small, medium and large enterprises. This is with the help of our main suppliers who are Steel Authority of India, that is SAIL, along with Jindal Steel and Power Limited, JSW Steel and ArcelorMittal Nippon Steel, which was earlier Essar Steel. So the steel sector is very dynamic and it's price sensitive, and while we were operating through multiple locations, we always found it very difficult to integrate processes, which was the main challenge that we faced. At the same time, we wanted to have the ability to track operations on a real-time basis, and these were the major concerns when we were looking for the solution. Yeah, so while we were initially weighing our options as to whom we should partner with, we had our initial round of interaction, and it was very easy for us to boil down on the fact that Arkit had an excellent knowledge of the excellent domain knowledge, due to which it was a no-brainer that we would have wanted to go with them. All the issues and challenges that we faced, and once we discussed with them, they were very forthcoming in terms of allaying our fears which surrounded these issues. So to that extent, it was extremely easy for us to go along with Arkit. After comprehensive analysis of the solutions that we had at our disposal, we decided to go with SAP S/4HANA. One, because it is one of the most reputed companies and reputed solutions. At the same time, our principal suppliers have also shown a lot of confidence in the solutions that they have provided, and it was for a very simple reason that we just decided to go with S/4HANA. And accordingly, we implemented the financial, the sales and the material management module, which was very well integrated through the process. The earlier implementation time period that we had considered was somewhere around 4 to 5 months, which we thought was very less, and we would not be able to do the entire project in that time frame. But somehow we just went with the flow, and within one single attempt, we could actually have the entire thing on place in the first 5 months of the project. So as I was telling you that, first of all, we were not very confident about the time period in which the entire project would take place. At the same time, one of the most challenging thing was the pandemic, which really hit us hard. However, we were able to manage everything remotely, and it also gave us a better understanding as to how to operate remotely, which was anyway the requirement in the future. So that really kind of helped us to move through. So when we were looking at a solution that would operate remotely, Arkit came up very strongly, and we were able to kind of have the entire operations go live. The entire training and entire process has happened remotely, which was new to us, as this is what we were looking at, and this is what was instilled in the future also, that we'll have to go online and things will have to be done remotely. So as I said earlier, that integration of the processes is what we were looking at. So that was very well met with the solution that was provided. Also, we had a better ability to track real-time basis as to all the information and the flow of information in the system. Along with that, a lot of duplication of work which was happening because of different solutions which were being adhered to. There were simple statutory compliances due to which we had to have different solutions in place. All this was provided in one go with the SAP S/4HANA.